Okay, today's Sunday morning. We're going to load another tracker head unit, get it up on the pole. I'm going to build another solar tracker. Here we can see I've got over 2,500 watts of power. I upped my limit to 90 amps, so it's 2,530 watts coming in with the panel still on the ground. The little turbo fans making all kind of noise. Alright, I just got the wood monster going. I got the stove cranked up. It's going to be a high of like 48 today, down in the 30s tonight. I'll be back shortly when I show you some more welding and maybe building another tracker head. Alright, that's it for now. Be back. Okay, what we got going on here today is we built on the ground another solar tracker. This is one of my older ones. I probably built this about 8 years ago. It's much smaller than the other ones. And I'm going to put my 4 Canadian solar panels that I have left out of the 6 that I had in Florida. And those are high voltage panels. They're like 47 volts a piece, something like that. Anyway, when you hook 2 in series, they come out within a plus minus of a volt of 3 of the Trina solar panels. So they're around 95, 96 volts. They work well together. All the 60 cell panels are about the same voltage. So what we're going to do is we're getting ready to hook this to the tractor on those forks. And we're going to clamp them to the forks. And we're going to take them down there on that furthest pole out. So we'll be back in a minute.
Solar tracker number 2 is flying. Heading down to the last pole. We're driving a little fast. Alright, that's it. We'll give you more in a bit. Alright, now he's lining it up. He's going to square it up to the pole. That little tractor does a nice job. Now he's all lined up. Now I have to go help. We'll be back.
Okay, here's number 2 up on the beam. We're getting in the flat position. Tomorrow we're going to put the panels on it. And I got to decide if I'm going to do this one dual axis or single. I had to go through my actuators. I got actuators everywhere. Okay, that's it. I got to build one more brand new one and get it up on that pole, and then we can start wiring these up, putting the panels on. Life will be happy. Alright, that's it for now. Here's number 2 up on the pole.